What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, my friends. Let me go ahead and just retweet this out. Let us know that we're live. I have an excellent Fibonacci lesson coming to you today, guys, and I really think you're going to love it. We're able to really nail the top and bottom of SPY today, and I really want to just show you guys the power of Fibs. I love the Fibonacci. Hit me with a 1 if you're ready, and let's step right into the war zone. All right, Fibs for life. Let's go. All right. Send that right now. Boom. Okay. So I'm here on SPY today. Just remove my drawings for the day. And what we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at the price action today. And then we're going to talk about all the Fibonacci setups that came through. And I'm going to show you the trades that we were able to take as well in the Discord. And I'll walk you through that. Okay. So if you remember from the lesson we had a few days ago, we're looking for two things. We're looking for impulse. We're looking for extension. So impulse, extension. Okay. So what we're doing here, guys, is in the morning. All right. The goal of the morning is to see what is the direction. What is the direction of the first about half an hour to an hour? Okay. So I'm going to show you right here. So here was our morning. Okay. And you notice in the morning, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, 30 minutes into the day, we're going sideways. Then all of a sudden, guys, we have this big outside bar. This outside bar, it's a powerful candle. If you look, what it did is it trapped new buyers that were buying the breakout. Okay. So check this out. So the high of the open was 404.14. And then right after that, we went to 404.35. So it went up 20 cents higher, and then we sold off. So this right here, guys, was a failed breakout that they trapped the rookies in that are trying to, oh my God, the market is going without me. It's going to the moon. Buy calls, buy calls, buy calls. Boom, it comes down, and then we sell off. From there, guys, we could see that we put in a leg to the downside. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the replay here, and then so I can walk you guys through. So just look at this. Is that a bullish or a bearish move? Hit me with a 1 for bullish, hit me with a 2 for bearish. What type of move is that? Let's just look at this chart together, okay? Say, hey, all right, we went sideways. We had the bulls buying this breakout, and it failed, and we turned around, bam, straight down, okay? So what kind of move is that? Is that bullish or bearish, okay? So obviously here, guys, you could see 3 red candles. We made a new low. We're moving in a bearish direction. So this right here, this is the first hack that I'm going to bring you guys to, is the morning leg, all right? So I'm going to go right here to the Fibonacci live setups, okay? So I'll go today, and I'll walk you guys through this, okay? So right here, we drew up our morning leg. And so I'm going to teach you how to do that. So again, you go here. So you take your fib, right? You put it on the high, bring it down to the low. We're going for the bearish direction. And the only thing I want you to focus on as a new trader is the 618. Okay. I don't want you to focus on anything else. All right. So what we're looking for is we're saying, okay, this is a bearish algorithm. This is a bearish movement. So if we come back up, we're going to look to short and continue in the direction of the first leg. And why do we want to do that? Because we're basically playing with the trend, and we're also ensuring that if we get the pullback, we're going to get a cheaper price than chasing at the lows. We don't ever want to chase. The Fibonacci system, it helps you stay profitable because it's always getting a deal. It's waiting for a pullback, a discount. If you get the puts over here, guys, puts are going to be a lot cheaper than if you chase the puts down here. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. Okay, so you can see right here, guys, we had our fib drawn up for everyone in the room, and it said SPY afternoon leg 618 filled short. This was at 10:27. So you could see we have our Fibonacci bot that we built in with our Discord, and it helps us to identify the best legs and call out the levels. And when we enter, when we take targets, very mechanical. Okay, so here we go. Next candle. Okay, all right, we're starting to retrace now. We're waiting here for that fill. Boom. So right there, boom. Okay. So 10:25, you could see right here, 10:27, we went short. Let's pause and let's look at this candle. All right. So if you just looked at these 3 candles, ignore everything else. Just look at these 3 candles. Is that bullish or bearish? And this is going to be the little trick, okay? you to understand really how the Fibonacci works. Is that a 1 for bullish, 2 for bearish? So this right here, guys, these 3 candles are obviously in a bullish direction. It's moving higher. It's going up. Okay, we went from a low 402.80s to a high of 404.05. All right, but the trick is look to the left, look to the left, look to the left. Okay, the bear was trading first here. This is the bear leg. So now when we're coming back up, what we're playing is that this bear is also going to continue to short. Okay, that there's real sellers in this area. There's real sellers in that 618. Okay, so we took our short there. We'll go back to the Discord. See, target hit, home run. Okay, so it took us, this trade took over an hour and 20 minutes to actually play out. So I'll walk you guys through. So you can see here, guys, there we go. Went sideways for a bit. And then finally, our new low right there. Okay, that's what we're playing for. So this is the area where we're loading up for the puts. Okay, we're loading up short and we're saying, okay, the stop loss is up here for protection. Okay, because it could just go straight over, but that's where the protection is. Okay, and then take that straight down. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to go to my brother who is doing the small account challenge. So this was that trade we took. He took it in the small account challenge right here. Okay, $1,192.68. All right, so make sure you're following TW Derry. He documents his trades every single day with the broker statement. So this was the same trade I just showed you guys. Hit me with a 9 if that makes sense. So that's the whole point there, guys. So we get the pullback, we get the discount, we get the deal, we follow the impulsive leg. It's an impulsive leg. We follow the impulsive leg, and then we're looking to play the direction of the impulse, take our profits on the way down. All right, so that is great. Okay, but what I'm going to show you right now, this one is almost like a little hack. Okay, this one is a little hack. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to play this out here. Okay, so let's fast forward this. There was one more trade that we took. Let's fast forward. Okay, so this is the price action of the day. So if I take the fib, this was the short we took. I'm going to double click and put on the full extensions. And what you're going to see here, guys, I'm going to show you something kind of crazy. So this is the second part. It's called extension. Okay. So notice how beautiful this is, because so we pull back into that 618, 786 area, and the completion of this move, guys, look at this on the 618 extension. So if, guys, it's like a robotic program. It's harmony. It's beautiful because it's taking a 61.8% pullback and it's selling at the 61.8% extension. If we look at this chart, so the algo, it's almost like it's programmed 618, 618, taking the 618 pullback, doing it to the 618 extension. But there's something even more special about that. Okay. All right. So I'm going to show you something right now, guys. Okay. So we took one more trade today using the pre-market Fibonacci in the bullish direction. So you're going to be like, what? Yes. So we shorted in the morning using the 618 on SPY. Okay. And then from here, we went ahead and we took the 618 in the pre-market. Okay. So I'm going to show you our anchors for the pre-market. So every morning, every morning we do morning legs, but we also have the pre-market. So this is the pre-market Fibonacci. So let's draw it out together. Okay. Let's do this together. So the low was 40.5475 and the high was 40.8750. So this right here, guys, you're not going to see it unless you're looking at the futures market. Okay. So here is our low right there. 40. Let me just put it on 40.54 right there. And there's our high. Okay. So let me just make sure I put in the exact numbers. 40.5475. Okay. And then the exact high was 40.8750. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to go back now. So when did this start? When did this rally start? Brother, my levels, all my levels on my website, tradingwars.com. Okay. When did this start? So this right here, guys, this is Thursday, this low, okay? Basically right at midnight. You see that 0, 0? Okay. So coming in at midnight, we started to rally. Okay. And these little secrets, guys, they're only this detail. If you look at SPY, what do you see on SPY? You just see a gap up, right? Hit me with a 10 if you see a gap up on SPY. Do you see this gap? But the question is, how did SPY gap up? How did that happen? This is what's happening. This is behind the scenes. This is futures. This is what's happening overnight. Its market is still trading. So here's our low, midnight. And then right here, guys, at so going into the open, we're just rallying. And that right there is our 10 o'clock high. And this is the Fibonacci we shorted right here. So this right here is that Fibonacci we shorted. Okay. So hit me with the 7 if that all makes sense so far, because now I'm going to show you the trade. So this is where we went short up here. We took this down. So here's the trick now. So the market is trading. It's selling off. You can see here. So there was one factor we said was this had already traded to the 618 extension. But look at this, guys. Using the pre-market leg, look at this. See that? The 786 in the pre-market, 618 in the pre-market as well. So we took the 618 in the pre-market, had our stop loss at the low to protect us, guys, and we rolled that into the close. It's beautiful. So I'll just show you that as well. So it says pre-market Fibonacci 618 filled long, pre-market Fibonacci target hit, pre-market Fibonacci target hit, and it still was rallying overnight, basically right now. All right. So check this out. So now I'm going to draw the leg we took short and I'm going to line it up, and this is going to be crazy. Okay. So the short we took intraday, I'm going to go from this high to here. This is the short we took intraday, and look at these lines, how they line up here. Check this out. So this is the bottom. This is the 618 extension of the short, and this is also the 786 of the pre-market low to high. So think about it like this, guys. So now we're stacking two separate Fibonacci's, two separate algorithms. We know the short is trading in the morning, and we know where the short could like to complete, but we also know whoever ran this up overnight is also looking to buy the dip. Hit me with a 15 if that makes sense. So this trading opportunity, guys, is what we call Confluence. And that's what I wanted to talk about for my second hack, Confluence. You have the overnight Fibonacci telling you a story. There's the pullback, but you also see the short is trading to that same area. So now when we get to the area, guys, when we get there, the explosion today, look at this, was an explosion, and it's still going after hours. It just went boom. All right. And I absolutely love it. And I absolutely love trading with you guys. So this was great. So to summarize today's video, we're talking about the retracement, the extension. We're talking about the morning leg. But the key, what I want to teach you guys today was confluence. Okay. That's when you have multiple Fibonacci's coming from different time frames, coming from overnight, coming from during the regular trading hours. You stack them together, and then you have this zone. This is called the kill zone, guys. The kill zone. That's the zone where you can make shit ton of money. Okay. All right, guys, check me out, tradingwars.com. I really hope you enjoyed that video. You can sign up right here on the main page if you would like to come trade with us in the Discord, or you can grab a copy of my Fibonacci book. So this Fibonacci book is my best-selling book, guys, and you get 1 month for free in the Discord when you buy the book, as well as my premium indicators for life. You can buy any book and you get 30 days in the Discord. Okay, I don't follow VIX. Okay, I just trade the fibs. That's all I care about. And so you can check me out here, guys. Grab a copy, tradingwars.com. I'm going to do a market scan right now for something for Lotto Friday, see if we have any nice picks standing out. But let me just take some time to shout out the Trading Wars Army. I really appreciate you guys being here. Bill, Dr. D, Briggs, Isabel, Marcelo, Wesley, Ram, Dr. D again. What's going on, brother? Trading Wars Army. Some dude, Carlos, Tyrone, Trading Wars Army, Gazi, Hennick, Johnny. I really, really appreciate the army, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Skunk and everyone. Appreciate you guys. Wesley, what's going on? Johnny, Trading Wars Army. Briggs, Hepcat. Good to see you guys. All right. Beautiful. TM, what's going on, brother? Appreciate you. What's going on, brother? He's back. N7, what's going on? Good to see you. All right. Okay. So what we do, guys, check me out, tradingwars.com. Like I said, let's do some scans right now. See if there's anything hot that on the list for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Lotto Friday. You guys know on Lotto Fridays, I like to go for the 10K goal. That's my goal. I try to make 10K Fridays. I'm going to really try my best. I've been like profitable a few $1,000s, but when I hit a 10K day, that's the best for me. Okay. So I'm going to be, obviously, guys, your account, you got to size it to your account. Okay. All right. The fibs can be used on any time frame. Okay. So right now for blue raindrops, yesterday we had Tesla. I just want to show you guys Tesla. So I posted Tesla on Twitter. And you could see right after that blue raindrop yesterday, we had that gap up on Tesla. Right now, Delta Airlines, I might be interested in trading this one tomorrow. Let's see if there's any holy grails. Take a look at that and see if there's any. I don't think there's any, but I'm going to post a bunch of pics right after here. I've already posted some pics on the YouTube. So I already posted MU, Roku, Bank of America, Moderna. This is for my free subscribers. Make sure you hit the subscribe and like button and you'll get these every day. And then I'm going to post something special for anyone that's a Trading Wars Army member. Like I said, guys, tradingwars.com. Check me out. I hope to see you in the Discord tomorrow. If you guys want to hit Lotto Friday with us, we have a really nice systematic approach. You know, I don't get emotional when I'm trading because I have a system. You know, I do get emotional sometimes, especially if I have a lot of size, but at least I know I have a system. You could see getting filled, target hit. Everything is laid out before you take the trade. That's why I love the fibs. All right. Thanks so much for your time, guys. Please hit the like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Let's go, Ed. Let's kill it. I'm going to start doing some live on Fridays, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Have a good night.